Hello and welcome back to the channel. I wanted to put a quick video together on my solar panel configuration on my Riverstone 42 FSKG toy hauler. I used HQST 190 watt panels. These are monocrystalline panels, very efficient. The way I connected them on my panel is I used channel strut. I VHB'd them to my roof and then I Sikaflexed them. I don't have any hardware that holds the panels down to the roof. Let's talk about that. The reason I did that is that I am using, when I first bought this fifth wheel, I took it and had it RV armored, which means that I've got a lifetime guarantee roof. It's kind of like your protection that you would put inside of a truck bed. It's like bed liner. It's about a quarter of an inch thick, so it holds the roof down very well. I've got this system set up in a 3S 2P configuration, meaning that I've got 12 panels up there. 3 panels are in series, connected to the other 3 panels in series in parallel, which creates one array. So I've got 3S 2P and 2 arrays. Each panel is 190 watts. That gives me approximately 2,220 watts of power. I'm finding that these solar panels are very efficient because I'm getting right about that during full sun. The way I configured these, I tried to keep them so that I minimized the amount of shadowing from my air conditioners and from my fantastic fans, and wanted to leave enough room up there so I could walk around just in case I had issues with either the fans or the air conditioners. What I'm showing now is a side view that you can see the channel strut that I've attached the panels to. And then as I go over here, you'll notice that I have 2 glands, one for each array going down into the basement, that I have Victron 150 volt, 85 amp MPPT controllers. I've got 2 of them, one for each array. That goes into a solar cutoff, which in turn goes to my Victron 3000 watt inverter. So I'm very happy with the way this turned out. I don't have any concerns about any of these panels loosening up or flying off. They're very secure on the roof. If you have any questions on how I did this and why I did it like this and how I can recommend it, I would not recommend this on a TPO roof because I just don't think that the membrane is strong enough to hold it down. I've seen a lot of those roofs that have created bubbles or had bubbles created that I feel like it's just not enough adhesion to allow the panels to be secure up there. So the final little view that I'm going to give you on this is showing you that from a top-down view, how much room I have. If I wanted to add more panels, I don't think I will. The only thing that I may add is another inverter so I can run more than one air conditioner. Right now, I'm perfectly happy with the way the system is working. One air conditioner seems to be working fine on it right now, but I may consider putting a second inverter so I can get a second air conditioner to run. Now, the way I have this system configured is that solar with 1,200 amp hours worth of lithium batteries. I also have a standalone generator, not an onboard generator, but a 3,500 watt generator. And then my HVT also has a 3,000 watt inverter on it and or generator also on it. So any questions, guys, give me a call or hit me up in the comments and we can talk in detail on it. Thank you.